Hey folks, this is Jacob at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we got in our fresh trade. It is a 2021 Cherokee 274 BRB. So this one will have rear bunks, a rear bathroom, one slide, starting with our power tongue jack with a light. Behind there is our LP tanks. It's a pair of 20-pound and a battery. With a purchase here at Gog's, you get the LP tanks full and a fresh battery, as well as a few other things. So we got our slide there. Up front, we got our water heater, a little outdoor shower, and this would be our water fill-up, whether it's fresh water or city water. We do have our manual stabilizer jacks. Comes with a tool for that. Back here we got a little bit of storage. We have our power cord. This is a 30 amp. Here we are going to have our wastewater sewer outlet connection. On the back, it does come with a rack, maybe for some coolers or such. Spare tire. It is prepped for a backup camera there. It does have a power awning. I don't have it out because it's a tad windy out. There's an LED strip underneath the awning. It's blue. Two doors on this one. So this door will go right to the bathroom, which is nice. You don't have to go through the whole camper to get to the bathroom. Got our black tank flush there. Furnace, outdoor kitchen area, so it's a two burner stovetop, little sink with a shower, ice maker, and a refrigerator. Got a couple of speakers here, mount for a TV, a couple of plugins. Storage up front, and you can get to this if you lift up the queen bed inside. Take a look inside here. It does come with the aluminum treads, the stair treads, nice, easy, lightweight. Yeah. So we got our battery disconnection. Above there is our gas alarm. Got our control panel to control the slide outs, the power awning, the lights, water pump, water heater. You can check how full your tanks are, and you can see how charged your battery is as well. So kind of a nice layout. It's got plenty of sleeping. So both the U-shaped dinette and the couch here fold down to beds. Start in the bathroom. It's motion sensor light. We got a sink, a little bit of storage underneath. Got a nice mirror, medicine cabinet. Got our shower. Toilet, and there is a couple of hooks. And we got the bunks, the nice double bunks. They do have charging ports on each one, so USB and 110, and a light. And we got a pantry right to the left of the fridge, kind of a nice location. It's nice and big, couple hooks there. We have our 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. It's actually kind of deep. We got the kitchen. We do have the 3-burner stovetop, One little light here. We got the oven. Microwave. That would be our thermostat right there. Has a nice big sink. And a sprayer that comes off. So there is a little bit of storage underneath. So, big drawer, nice and long on both sides. Does have a roof AC. That would be our natural light here. The shades are kind of cool. Just pretty much push it up. Just like that. So that's on a few windows here. So you can actually give it light if you choose that. So we got our entertainment center, got a radio. You can hook up Bluetooth to that. Have a fireplace, a little bit of storage, and then place for a TV. And we got the master, closets on both sides and above. There's actually another one in the corner. Place to hang out your clothes. Charging on both sides. USB and 110. So plenty of room for all the clothes. Above. Like I said, you can lift the bed up to get to that storage area underneath. Alright, that's going to do it. Again, this is a fresh trade we just got in. It's a 2021 Cherokee 274 BRB. If you have any questions or would like to come see it in person, just give us a call at 507-345-5858. Again, this is Jacob, and thanks for watching.